morning, good afternoon, good evening, my friends all over the world. So today I would like to show you a new self-defense technique from Shaolin 5 fighting fists. So suppose somebody hold my right arm like this. I will just step forward my right foot like this. I will turn to my left side and bend my left knee and attack that person's throat. So if that person will control my left hand like this, I will step my left foot forward, turn to right side, throat. So Annie, please come here.
Come here.
So I will control Annie's left hand firstly, or right hand firstly. So I control, and she will step forward with the right foot and turn to left side, and will push my head and bend the left knee and push again. Push again. So we practice again. Okay. Step forward and turn to left side and push my head quickly. Quickly. And you need also bend your knee. I say, okay, let's practice again. Forward and push and bend the knee. Okay, now we'll change. I'll control her left foot, left arm, and she will step forward, left foot, and then turn to right side and push. Okay. Okay, we practice again. So left hand, turn, step forward left foot, turn and push. Okay, we change the position. I will not say it's left or right. I don't know. I just want to control her. And now I will control from here. Okay, so again, this side. Again, step forward, turn to another side and push. Again, 右手劲比较大，你从右手，这是往推动。Step forward this leg and okay, again. Okay. Thank you so much, and please, new friends, subscribe to my channel. Old friends, please continue to support me. I just repeat again, and I suppose somebody control me like this. Control me like this. Again. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.